It was, I think, better than I thought it would have been. I wasn't sure if I was going to really understand everything properly, but she was excellent in the way she explained it all to me, so I'm happy about that. Just walking into the place, I was really happy to see that it was so well organized. I liked the decor, very modern. It showed a lot of your inventory, all the different kinds, which I was quite impressed with, and even seeing the different rooms that you guys had, workstations and so on, and I thought that was pretty cool. I love the fact that she had a variety of glues. It wasn't just one type, and then she was able to tell me of her experience with using all the different glues and glue removers and the different tapes and different ways of applying the tapes as well. So that's kind of what I really wanted to understand, what the differences were, and so I learned that today. At the end of the day, it's really what does the client want, and you got to give them that part of it is just the finish, but the application and that, you know, understanding to the ghost bond glue to let it dry clear and how important it is for it to dry clear and to give it at least 3 coatings, whether on the scalp or both scalp and piece. Overall, very informative and kind of what I was looking for. It wasn't as challenging as I thought it was going to be, so I feel better. So it gives me more confidence that when it's time to do it, I'll be able to do it without fear. So I like that. And I like the fact that also she said if there's a problem with the piece, that if it's shedding a lot, then there's something defective with it, that I can simply return it and get something better. I see this actually as something that is needed in all salons. There's a lot of people experiencing baldness or thinning hair, and they want something. I want clients to feel that there is a variety of things out there, or they're not stuck with what they've got. There's choices, and I just want to give them choices. You know, so yeah, I'm excited about it. She did an excellent job. I was her only student today, which I guess I feel special. Maybe because of that, I got more involved and understand it. But I think it was, she went through it quite thoroughly. And I thought, oh, is she gonna just be like, okay, but she didn't skip anything. I don't feel that she did. So I thought that was very professional of her as well, that she didn't skip anything at all. She didn't rush. She took her time, and she allowed me the time to kind of understand what she was trying to teach. So yeah, overall I would recommend it, yes. So your product is what I will definitely be starting with, and hopefully your product will be exceptional, so I will stick with it. And I think it's good that you're doing it, yeah. Yeah.
Hey everybody, I'd like to welcome you to come and try our Evolve Academy. You want to learn how to do all this, learning how to put on Hairsystem, please come and join us, and I'd be more than happy to teach you what I know. And hey, if you need to learn in Spanish, we now have Evolve Global Academy in Spanish classes also. See you there.